Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 21st and 22nd, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Apple Day. National Apple Day, celebrated on October 21st in the United Kingdom, is a special day dedicated to commemorating apples and orchards. Initiated by the organization Common Ground in 1990, the day was conceived to shine a light on the vast array of apple varieties traditionally grown in the UK, many of which have become rarer over time. The event not only serves to promote these diverse varieties but also emphasizes their significance in the country's cultural and ecological landscape. Across the nation, Apple Day is marked by a plethora of engaging activities. From apple pressing to produce fresh juice and apple-themed games to the sale of uncommon apple types, the day is a festive recognition of this beloved fruit. Beyond the fun and games, Apple Day carries an underlying message about the importance of preserving traditional orchards and the unique apple varieties they support. Sweetest Day. Sweetest Day is a holiday predominantly observed in the Great Lakes region, parts of the Northeast United States, and Florida. Celebrated on the third Saturday of October, its origins can be traced back to Cleveland, Ohio, in 1921. Conceived by a group of candy makers led by Herbert Birch Kingston, the initial intention was a philanthropic endeavor to bring joy to orphans, shut-ins, and the underprivileged. Volunteers distributed confections and small gifts as gestures of kindness and compassion. Over time, the altruistic nature of Sweetest Day evolved, taking on romantic undertones reminiscent of Valentine's Day. Today, while its charitable roots are still recognized, the holiday largely centers around expressing appreciation and affection to loved ones, be they romantic partners, family, or friends. Gifts commonly exchanged include sweets, cards, and flowers. Despite its genuine beginnings, some critics label it a hallmark holiday, attributing its persistence to commercial motivations. National Pumpkin Cheesecake Day. National Pumpkin Cheesecake Day, celebrated on October 21st in the United States, is a delightful nod to a dessert that combines the savory sweet flavors of pumpkin with the rich creaminess of cheesecake. As fall sets in, this fusion captures the essence of the season, merging the autumnal allure of pumpkins with the universally loved cheesecake. Bakeries and cafes might highlight pumpkin cheesecakes on this day, and many dessert enthusiasts seize the chance to whip up their own versions, often incorporating classic autumn spices like nutmeg and cinnamon to enhance the flavor. The day stands as more than just a tribute to a dessert, it's a testament to culinary creativity and the joys of seasonal flavors. With Thanksgiving around the corner, many see National Pumpkin Cheesecake Day as the beginning of a festive culinary countdown, making it a favorite among both bakers and those with a sweet tooth. As with many food-centric observances, it's also a wonderful opportunity for friends and family to come together, share recipes, and relish a slice, or two, of this beloved treat. International Sloth Day. International Sloth Day, observed annually on October 20th, is dedicated to celebrating the intriguing and slow-paced world of sloths, tree-dwelling mammals indigenous to Central and South America. Established in 2010 by the non-profit organization IUNOW based in Colombia, the day serves as an opportunity to not only appreciate the endearing characteristics of these creatures but also to spotlight the importance of their conservation and the preservation of their natural habitats. The celebration of International Sloth Day goes beyond mere admiration. It's an essential reminder of the challenges these creatures face in the wild, primarily due to deforestation, habitat loss, and the illegal pet trade. By bringing attention to these issues, the day aims to foster a sense of responsibility and inspire collective action towards ensuring the survival and well-being of sloths. Through education and awareness, it underscores the broader message of respecting all wildlife and understanding the interconnectedness of our global ecosystem. National Color Day. National Color Day is celebrated annually on October 22nd and acknowledges the importance of colors in our everyday lives. Colors have the power to influence our mood, perceptions, and even our decisions. From the clothes we wear to the way we decorate our homes, colors play a vital role in expressing our personal styles, cultures, and emotions. They can evoke powerful memories, trigger certain feelings, or even influence purchasing habits. For instance, marketing and branding experts often harness the psychology of colors to appeal to their target audience. On National Color Day, individuals are encouraged to explore and appreciate the diverse range of colors that surround them. It's a day to reflect on how colors impact our lives, both psychologically and aesthetically. Many participate by wearing their favorite colors, engaging in color-themed activities, or even exploring the significance of colors in various cultural contexts. Schools or artists might hold workshops or exhibitions, while others might take a moment to appreciate nature's vast color palette, from autumn leaves to vibrant sunsets. National Make a Dog's Day. National Make a Dog's Day is celebrated every year on October 22nd. This special day emphasizes the importance of showing extra love and attention to our canine companions. Dogs, often hailed as man's best friend, offer unwavering loyalty, affection, and joy to millions of families and individuals worldwide. Whether it's through a special treat, an extended play session, or a long walk in the park, the day encourages dog owners and lovers to go the extra mile in pampering and appreciating their furry friends. Beyond individual pet dogs, National Make a Dog's Day also serves as a reminder of the countless dogs waiting in shelters for their forever homes. Many use this day to advocate for pet adoption, drawing attention to the plight of rescue dogs and promoting the joy and fulfillment that comes from adopting rather than shopping. Some choose to donate to local animal shelters, volunteer their time, or simply spread awareness about the value and importance of giving these animals a second chance at a loving home. National Mother-in-Law Day. National Mother-in-Law Day is observed on the fourth Sunday of October each year. This day is dedicated to acknowledging and celebrating the important role that a mother-in-law plays in one's life. Mothers-in-law, just like our own mothers, provide guidance, wisdom, and support. For many, they become an integral part of the family, offering love, care, and sometimes even acting as secondary parental figures, especially after marriage. Their experiences and knowledge often act as a guiding beacon, helping couples navigate the complexities of married life. The celebration of National Mother-in-Law Day is an opportunity to strengthen family bonds. It's a day for sons-in-law and daughters-in-law to express their gratitude and appreciation for the love and kindness their mothers-in-law have shown them. Whether it's through a heartfelt note, a special gift, a day out, or simply spending quality time together, the essence is to make her feel cherished and valued. This day also serves as a gentle reminder to set aside differences, if any, and celebrate the positive impacts and memories shared. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.